Hello, welcome to the Automated Virtual Energy Analysis Solution. We refer to this as AVEAS.
Welcome to the world of energy innovation. Today, we are excited to introduce you to a groundbreaking solution that will revolutionize the way building owners reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions.
Introducing the Automated Virtual Energy Analysis Solution, or AVEAS, brought to you by Planit Measuring, a trusted engineering firm with over 25 years of experience in the industry. Located in Oakville, Ontario, Planit Measuring has been at the forefront of delivering accurate and timely digitization of existing buildings.
Picture this. Building owners all across the country are faced with the challenge of choosing the right solution to reduce energy consumption and carbon outputs. It's a struggle, a daunting task that requires careful consideration and analysis.
But fear not, AVEAS is here to simplify the process and empower building owners to make data-driven decisions with confidence. AVEAS is a secure, cloud-based, data-driven toolset that combines energy modeling, asset management, and capital planning for building operations, management, and retrofits. It works as an engineering-grade ecosystem that processes insights from existing building data, enabling stakeholders across large portfolios to drive down energy consumption, operating costs, and carbon emissions.
Traditionally, energy modeling is an expensive and time-consuming process, but AVEAS streamlines this workflow through a high-level parameter exercise using smart defaults that enable users to model by exception rather than from scratch, saving significant amounts of time and effort compared to traditional modeling approaches. This technology can develop a baseline energy model using geometries, age, location, and usage to understand the expected energy consumption and thermal characteristics of buildings in minutes, not weeks, empowering users to analyze their assets on a massive scale.
AVEAS can then be further calibrated with additional data on specific assets to further improve the numerical simulation and dive deeper into specific assets and full buildings inside a large portfolio as needed, instead of doing large capital investments just for exploratory analysis. Once the opportunities are mapped across the whole portfolio, AVEAS allows users to test and compare upgrades to ensure capital investment is optimized for the desired outcomes, considering not only the cost savings from performance improvement itself, but also all incentives and government commitments associated with carbon offset targets. AVEAS goes beyond retrofitting, as it offers day-to-day operations insights and predictions for the entire life cycle of the buildings, enabling decision-makers to plan expenses and allocate resources in a predictive, rather than corrective manner. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the present state and future of your building's energy performance, with all possible outcomes. With AVEAS, users have access to a staged, multi-year decarbonization roadmap with insights and pathways that are fully aligned with the greening government strategy, allowing users to manage sustainability objectives and communicate successes to stakeholders.
Our innovative software combines auto-generated beam technology with asset data, delivering accurate baseline energy and CO2 emissions. This means building owners can assess their current state and identify potential solutions to mitigate CO2 emissions and reduce energy consumption.
But what sets AVEAS apart is its user-friendly interface. With just a few clicks, building owners can simulate easy energy retrofits to their building models, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional energy audits. Imagine the possibilities. Building owners and government entities can now achieve their 2050 net zero energy goals without breaking the bank.
The user-friendliness of the platform is also reflected in its customizable front-end tools. AVEAS was designed to provide the right amount of information to all stakeholders using their own technical language, from contractors to operations staff to decision-makers, all based on a single source of truth. Users can be trained to utilize the system in a matter of hours, and multi-user access is enabled for collaborative work.
Because AVEAS is a cloud-based numerical simulation tool in its essence, there are no major requirements to install and validate the technology other than an off-the-shelf computer with internet access. Users can operate AVEAS remotely, and no connection with local networks is required. So, if you're a government employee looking for a sophisticated solution to help your organization reduce energy consumption and carbon outputs, look no further than AVEAS by Planit Measuring.
Together, let's create a sustainable future, one building at a time.
Thank you for joining us today. For more information about AVEAS and how it can benefit your organization, visit our website or contact our team at Planit Measuring.
Planit Measuring, empowering building owners to make a difference.